Konnichiwa, manga lovers! What do you using tools when you're drawing manga? Here, welcome to my atelier. Miss, your manga sensei of Irish creator type Vtuber. We studied about are you analog type or digital type on before of my video. This video is me teach you analog manga tools. Let's enjoy manga skill lesson together. Kirit, re, japsek. So, we arrived at the manga tool shop. Let's choose manga tools for manga artist beginner. You are manga artist from today. Oh, this showcase have art of items. The first item is tsuke pen. We use it pen saki put on pen juku. Usually, we use G pen and maru pen. A lot of manga artists use these pen, but little hard for beginner. So, it first time draw your manga, I recommend you use ball pen or marker. Next item is ink and white. Pensaki dip in ink and draw. White is fix mistake and useful highlight. Last item is genko yoshi. We draw sketch and inking here. Usually, we use B4 size. This item is must item for beginners. Let's manga review together. So, what do you think most important skill for manga? You know a lot of manga or good drawing? Me think most important is make a story. Next video where how to make a story. If you enjoyed my lesson, please subscribe. Me is happy if me get good and comment from you. Let's meet again in a month. ありがとうございました。See you!